Eva Drawings. Hello little friends, Ava here. Let's draw this cute panda bear with me today. You can already subscribe to the channel now to not miss any new drawings. Let's go! Let's start our drawing of the panda bear by its right ear on top of its head. We continue the line, drawing his head and his other little ear. Very well! We draw the entire side of your body step by step. Pandas are known for their round faces and big ears, which makes them super adorable. They are often associated with love and affection due to their gentle nature. Yes, it was perfect! Now, continuing the base of the outline, let's draw the two legs of our panda bear. Did you know that pandas are excellent climbers? They can easily climb trees, which helps them escape predators. Yes, it was perfect! To finish the base of the outline of our panda, we draw the line of his arm and the line of his face. Yes, very good! Let's draw the details of our cute panda bear. We start by drawing the lines of his little ears. Very well! Our panda bear is already starting to appear. Now, we draw the line that separates your whole face from your body. Fine! We draw the line that separates your tummy. Very good! Then we draw the line that separates your arms. We also draw a tender little heart in your beautiful tummy. It is getting very good! To finish our outline, we will draw the details of your face. We draw your left eye. We draw your nose and your cute little mouth. Very well! Finally, we draw the lines of your right eye. Well done! Our panda bear is getting very good. Wow! We already finished all the outline of our cute panda bear. It was amazing! If you are enjoying our drawing so far, subscribe to the channel so as not to miss any new drawing. That's great! Now let's paint. I have already separated the two colors that we will use to paint our cute panda bear. To begin our painting, we will use the color black to paint the arms of our panda, step by step, very slowly. Very well! Still in black, we will paint your two little legs. We will also paint your two little ears. It is very good! To finish the black color, we will paint your eyes and your cute little nose, step by step, very slowly. That's perfect! Our panda is coming to life. To finish our painting, we will use the color red to paint the cute little heart in the belly of our panda bear. This heart represents the love and affection with which pandas are often associated. Pandas are also symbols of peace and environmental conservation. That's great! Our colorful drawing was beautiful. Wow! Our drawing of beautiful and loving panda bear is complete. Friends, the drawing of our cute panda bear was wonderful. Drawing and painting with me was a really cool and fun way to learn about pandas. Congratulations! The drawing was amazing. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Now you can leave a like in this video, and subscribe so you do not miss any new drawing. Every week we have new drawings here. A super Ava kiss and see you soon. Ava Drawings!